It's like this deep water. Yeah, it is. We're in a frickin' flood.
Oh my Lord.
Holy shit. Look at that water. Look at that car pulled over.
Oh my God. You can't stop. You just gotta stay on the high side and get out of it.
It's gonna, look at how deep that is in the middle of that ridge. I was gonna say, don't go on the ridge, you get stuck.
What do we do?
Just keep driving. You gotta get out of it somehow.
I can't. Well, if we get up on the hill, we'll be alright. It's just a little spot.
Look at this. Cadence.
There's 6 inches of slush. No, 8 inches of slush.
But look at that water run. Should have called, John.
I can't. I know service. Try calling.